Today on Delta Safari, we're going after a new species that we've never targeted before. And yes, the word target was intentional. Let's head to the Delta. I'm your host, Stu Donald. Let's head to the Delta.
All right. Today I am on some private land very near the Delta, doing a little rabbit hunting, hopefully. Got a beautiful stand of almost virgin forest out here, and I'm gonna see if I can't turn bugs into dinner.
Now, before I could go hunting, I need to update my license. Currently, all I have is fishing stuff. So I pull up the Outdoor Alabama app, which is this great app that the state of Alabama has. Once you pull up the app, if you just click on the top right-hand corner, it will show the licenses that you have purchased. And it allows me to add any kind of license that the state offers. Naturally, you'll need to give a little personal information. It's going to ask for your name, social security number, your address, and even a physical description. These are all so that a game warden can identify you if they need to. Once you put in your birth date, you'll then be taken to a screen that shows you all the different licenses, packages, and privileges available from the state. At this point, you'll be able to view a bunch of the packages that the state has put together, both fishing and hunting, and combinations of them. Or you can scroll down and pick just the individual license that you want to add, which is what I'm doing today with a small game hunting license. Once you've selected the packages or licenses that you want, scroll to the bottom, hit continue, and the next page will give you options for a hard copy of your game license. And these all have custom photos on them. They're collectibles. They cost about $5 each, but they're not required, and I don't use one. I just go with the license that's on the app, so it's one less thing to keep up with. But hey, maybe you're a collector. They even have the option to purchase all 6 options. Next is a chance to review the licenses that you've selected, to correct them, add or subtract them, and also a chance to look at donations that you might want to make for various research projects. There's a section where you can sign up for automatic renewals of your licenses. I do that with my fishing license because I know I'm always going to be fishing. I don't go hunting every year, so I don't set those up to reoccur. The next section is where you give a physical description of what you look like currently, and review any of your contact information, your address, and all of that. And then from there you move on to the purchasing part, which works pretty much like any other app that you've ever used. Simple as that. The beauty is you can add this anywhere at any time.
Okay, just want to take a second to show you what I'm hunting with today. This is a Beeman 22 caliber air rifle. As you can see, I've got my sports camera mounted on the barrel upside down so that you can see whatever I see through the scope, so to speak.
Well, I haven't seen any rabbits or signs of rabbits to this point, but I did find this cool tree that was blown over during a recent tropical storm or possibly a hurricane. I love how the moss has covered the root system here. Man, that's the great thing about this is even if I don't see a rabbit, I'm still hanging out with nature. Well, as you can see, I'm not the first person to hunt in these woods. I doubt they're deer hunting here. They're probably just setting these up to do exactly what I'm doing, and that's go after rabbits and maybe squirrels.
Okay, the way this air rifle works is you have to break the barrel, put in one .22 caliber pellet. Push the barrel back up, that loads it with air. There's no CO2 cartridge or anything like that. You also cannot ever leave ammo in an air rifle because it'll just mess it up. So I didn't shoot any hibbity hops today, so I'm going to unload this in a tree. And that's what it sounds like. Okay, today I'm trying a new place. This is Himalayan Nepali Cuisine. And if you're not familiar with Nepali cuisine, it's very similar to Indian. The two countries are right next to each other. I think the Himalayas are actually the border. But I love Indian food, and what Nepali food I've tried, I've enjoyed. They're very similar, but they have their distinct differences. I just hit the buffet today. There's a lot of stuff on here. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to try it because I'm crazy like that. But I did make sure to get some curry goat. Let's dig in. Now this next flatbread, this is new to me. This is called, I'm reading from the sun over here, Papad, P-A-P-A-D. It's like naan, but crispy like a cracker. Wow, that's interesting. That's good. Put a little riata on it. This packs a little heat in and of itself. Not a lot. Just a little bit of my tongue sizzling. It's super crispy. This is vegetable korma. It's one of the staples in this cuisine. And I like it. Let's get a little goat going. Goat is terrific. We really should eat more of it in America. It's lean and delicious.
Hey y'all, Luke the dog here, and please y'all, and I'm so itchy. Would you scratch me right there around the like button in the subscribe area right there? I'd appreciate it if you did, because I feel so much better.